Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Cruise Control. That's right, it is a classic by the choreographer for Coley Cole. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Last but not least, I will post the instructional, step-by-step instructional at the end of this video. Also, please check out Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself presents a 4-day weekend line dance, nothing but line dancing, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room right now, and registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. So I'm going to play the music a little low, guys, because I want to count. I want you to hear my count, okay? And that's what I talk about in with the instructionals. In the instructional, I feel that intermediate know this line dance. I'm breaking this dance down for beginner instructors, okay? So instructors, is important to know the count. And I always do the count in my head when I do this dance, but I'm going to count it out loud, okay? So let me know what you think. Let's go. I'm going to start on this wall over here. This wall right here.
We gon' roll till the wheels fall off. We gon' roll till the wheels fall off.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Left, right, left, right, left, take half left, right, left, and 1. Turn, left, right, left, right, left, take left, right, 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 left. Let me know what you think. Remember, I'm going to post the instructional at the end. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens June 1st, 2023, and you can book your room right now at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.